meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
The big weather story this week is going to be the building heat and humidity. Let's take a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Highs tomorrow will be in the mid-80s. We'll cool down a little bit on Wednesday with some showers and thunderstorms moving through. And then it looks like widespread 90s as we head through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. A cold front moves through Saturday evening. After that, we cool back down into the mid-80s. Right now, we are looking at lower to mid-80s across most of northeast Wisconsin, including a reading of 83 degrees in Oshkosh. It is currently 82 in Green Bay with mostly sunny skies, and we're looking at a lot of sunshine in Appleton as well, where the temperature is in the lower 80s, and dew points are mainly in the 50s to around 60 degrees, but that dew point's going to be going way up as we head through this work week. Quiet weather underneath high pressure across the upper Midwest today. This area of high pressure is going to be dropping south and east throughout the night into tomorrow, and on the back side of it, it is starting to heat up. Temperatures getting into the 80s and 90s, and that heat is going to be building big time here as we move through the middle of the week, and then it's going to be headed east as we make our way into the weekend. A heat wave across most of the country as we head through the next 3 to 7 days or so. Not only is it going to get hot, but it's going to be getting quite humid as well. Dew points tomorrow and Wednesday mainly in the 60s, but it'll feel tropical on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with dew points in the mid to upper 70s. And you've all heard the old saying, it's not the heat, it's the humidity. Take a look at this. When you have a temperature around 93 and a dew point of 77, you get a heat index of 107 degrees. And with that in mind, we are now looking at heat watches, heat advisories, and heat warnings across the central part of the country. We do have that excessive heat watch now for Marquette and Green Lake counties. That would be for Thursday and Friday, and that more than likely will be expanded as we head closer to the actual heat wave. High temperatures tomorrow will be slightly above normal, mainly in the lower to mid-80s. We will have quiet weather. We're going to have a lot of sunshine as high pressure continues to control our weather, but as the heat really starts to build in as we head towards, let's say, Thursday, we're going to see a good chance for some showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday, and there's actually a marginal threat for severe weather across the state. And that leads us to what's going to happen as we head towards the weekend. We're going to be on the northeastern side of this hazy, hot, and humid air mass, which means we're going to be on the ring of fire, and that means that we're going to have little systems moving through from time to time. And as each one moves through, it could produce some thunderstorms. And every year, we have thunderstorms that kill the heat. This is kind of the heat wave disclaimer that I'm showing you right now. Clouds and or rain at peak heating or an easterly wind from thunderstorms during the morning can change what happens during the afternoon dramatically. 93 can quickly become 80. So right now I'm forecasting highs in the 90s, but if one of those thunderstorm complexes moves through right during the middle of the afternoon, obviously it'll be a whole lot cooler. Mostly clear tonight. Overnight lows will be in the 50s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. Temperatures will be in the lower to mid-80s. Our normal high is right around 80. On Wednesday, a good chance of showers and thunderstorms with more clouds. We're going to see a high right around 80. Then the heat builds in behind those thunderstorms for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Mostly sunny skies, but there will be a chance each and every day. And once again, when that thunderstorm moves through, will play a major role in how hot we get Thursday, Friday, and Saturday afternoon. Right now I'm going lower to mid-90s, but with dew points in the 70s, it's going to feel like 100 degrees or hotter across most of the area.
Wow, our hottest weather so far, right?
Yes, we could have more 90s within the next 7 days than we've had the entire summer up to this point.
Wow, all right. Well, we have a flooding update for you tonight. The Wisconsin DOT is going to receive $2.5 million in emergency federal funding to help repair roads after that heavy flooding in northern Wisconsin.
That's right. You remember just a week ago, northern Wisconsin got 8 to 10 inches of rain.